The scent of pomodoro and basilico infused many childhood memories cooking with my nonna. As the smells would linger in the kitchen, we would have a deep chinwag about the delicacies of this island called Sicily. This was where she came from. It created a deep connection for me to travel to a land I had never been to before until I turned 20. Ciao, my name is Carmela D'Amore. Today, I'm an international Sicilian chef, ambassador to Sicilian food, author of 3 books, executive chef of my family's run restaurant Sorrento Trattoria, and CEO of Carmela's Cucina Class, a Sicilian masterclass in cooking and travels to Sicily. Would you like to know more? I know you would.